Small, take out the absinthe green yarn and wrap it around the flower pole to the end, which is 3 apiece, a total of 2. The first is pink on top and 2 white under pink here. Once the left and right sides are secured, wrap the yarn around the coil to the end, break the yarn and secure it with a glue stick here. The second is white on top, 2 purple under the white. 4 left and right sides, wrap them with yarn to the end here. After fixing and shaping, wait for packaging, and please refer to the video for details here.